Digital mind map tools transform change management workshops for the better. Let us explore together how this works. In the ever-evolving world of change management, the integration of digital tools into workshops is changing the game. Digital mind map tools, in particular, are making waves for their ability to enhance collaboration and clarity. These tools, like Mindmeister and Lucidspark, offer interactive platforms that engage participants, simplify the visualization of complex ideas, and enable seamless remote collaboration. Their impact on change management workshops is profound, fostering a more connected and creative planning process. Digital mind map tools boast versatility, allowing users to add comprehensive details to their maps. They promote real-time collaboration, making it easy for team members to contribute, edit, and share ideas, which emphasizes unity and shared purpose. Despite their myriad of benefits, it's crucial to acknowledge potential downsides. New users might face a learning curve, and a heavy reliance on technology could lead to disruptions if technical issues arise. Incorporating these tools into workshops involves selecting the right platform, preparing participants ahead of time, and effectively using the tool to brainstorm and organize ideas. It's a process that, while simple, can significantly enhance the outcome of change management strategies. To conclude, digital mind map tools offer a dynamic approach to managing change. They encourage participation, improve the visualization of ideas, and facilitate better collaboration. Although there are challenges, the advantages far outweigh the potential drawbacks. Through careful selection and preparation, these tools can revolutionize change management workshops, driving creativity and strategic thinking to new heights. It's a testament to the power of digital innovation in shaping the future of organizational change. For further exploration, visit Mychangemanagement.com to get insights into the practical applications and considerations around change management.